Welcome to this presentation on an enhanced Grey Wolf optimization algorithm with improved exploration ability for analog circuit design automation. This research was conducted by M.A. Musha Hechib Majid and published in 1st January 2018. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The increasing integration of analog and digital circuits on a single chip necessitates efficient automation tools for analog circuit design, which remains challenging due to the complexity and non-linearity of analog circuitry. While digital circuit automation has matured, analog circuit automation is an active research area. The design process typically involves topology selection, circuit level implementation, and layout. The methodology centers on an enhanced Grey Wolf optimization EGWO algorithm designed to improve the exploration ability in analog circuit design automation. Traditional GWO divides iterations equally between exploration and exploitation, potentially overlooking an optimal balance. The EGWO modifies the GWO algorithm by adjusting the parameter A to increase the nonlinearity and thereby slightly increase the number of iterations dedicated to exploration. The performance evaluation of the enhanced Grey Wolf optimization EGW algorithm using 23 benchmark functions shows promising results. Compared with SCA, PSOGWO, and MGWO, the EGWO demonstrates superior performance on several function types, particularly in achieving better approximations of global optima and avoiding local minima. The enhanced Grey Wolf optimization EDWO algorithm presents a significant improvement over the standard Grey Wolf optimization GWO for analog circuit design automation, primarily due to its enhanced exploration ability. By modifying the up parameter and the position update mechanism, the EGWO effectively balances exploration and exploitation, leading to more robust convergence to global optima. This paper introduced an enhanced Grey Wolf optimization EGWO algorithm, specifically tailored to improve the exploration capability for analog circuit design automation. By refining the balance between exploration and exploitation, the EGWO aims to achieve more accurate and robust convergence to globally optimal solutions.